morning everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So this is day 11 of the Charlie's Nail Art advent calendar opening, so I'm just going to jump straight into it. So this is from the nail art one, so let's just have a look. Oh, Christmas Vimo. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, look at them. Okay, let's just put it in a tray and we'll see what it looks like. They're super cute. So there is snowflakes, candy cane, I'm assuming that's like a candy cane sweet, and snowmen. Wow, look at them. And this is like still got glitter everywhere. I'm not gonna tidy the glitter up until I don't know whenever. Yeah, look, it's like shaped. How cute is that? So that is Christmas Fimo. So that's from the mixed one. So let's have a look what glitter we've got today. So you will see it when I see it. Ready, go. Ooh, candy cane. Ooh, so it looks like it's another hexagon mix. Really pretty. So it's 3 grams. So affordable. If you haven't shopped on there, you really should. It's such affordable, and her glitters are safe to use in acrylic and polygels and everything else. The colour will not bleed as well, which is another bonus. Oh yeah. Ooh, now that is pretty. Look at that. So what have we got in here? We have got some mylar, we have some hexagons, red hollow, matte white, don't know what else is in there. Lots of twinkling. So let me quickly do a quick swatch and then I shall be back. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so that is the swatch there. So let's apply the top coat like we have been doing since the beginning. And wow, this stand is not the best. So I'm going to have to be really careful. No, it's going to fall off. Okay, so that's the swatch there. It's absolutely stunning. Wow. So let me put this in before it does actually fall off. Haha, got it. Okay, so let me know your thoughts on the glitter mix from today. So we had some Christmas Fimos, and this is what they look like. So snowmen, candy cane and snowflakes. Super cute. And then we had candy cane glitter mix, which is absolutely stunning. Look at that twinkling. And this is it in the tray. Really pretty. Really pretty. So the swatch is nearly done. So yes, let me know your thoughts down below. And let me know if you're going to go over and pick up any of these. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on the advent calendar so far. I mean, I'm really enjoying it. And everything I've got so far, I've really loved. I can't pick like a favourite out of any of them. They are really nice. So this is the swatch of the glitter. Absolutely stunning. And that is just obviously just on the clear tip like all the rest. But wow. Amazing. So there you have it. Day 11. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, and yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully you'll all join me tomorrow. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow. I'll post some pictures at the end.